Well, welcome back, folks. Another beautiful day here. Going to be working on the cabin / teeny house again today. What I got going on today, as you saw in the last video, was I have the main beams that are going to support the floor. Now I got to position these today, and then I'm going to use some blocks that I have in order to build up these beams so that they're level. So going to take a bit of time today to establish where I'm going to put the beams. I think I got it close to where I want it, but going to be a little more precise. Going to then use a shovel and a tamper, clean out a little area to get the blocks put into place. Going to build it up to level, use my 6-foot level in order to make these beams nice and solid and level so that I have a spot to build a floor on. So that's the goal. Going to try to move quickly because the bugs are definitely out today. And you're probably going to get sick of hearing me say that, but bug season around here is a pain in the rear end. But we'll get through it. So let's get going here. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for me here today. As you saw, I spent a lot of time on the bases, so it's very important to get a solid base and then build from there. Kind of cliche, I know. On the bottom here, I've got 4 sets of blocks that I'm building up from. Now, the blocks I put down, the ones down on the bottom there, they're level both ways, so this way and this way. And they're also even distance apart. That will allow me for easier building when it comes time for framing. Now, I had a bit of a change of heart as I was going here. Now, you'll see these blocks on the ground here. I had envisioned using the blocks as the posts, more or less. Now, I don't think that's going to work quite as easily as I thought. And so what I did was I more or less just took out the intermediate posts, the blocks that were forming those posts, and I just put in the very top and the very bottom. And what I'm going to do now, because I've leveled everything, so it's level this way, it's also level side to side, I'm going to go ahead and take measurements for 6x6 wood posts that I'm going to cut, and that will make up the 4 posts on both sides. Now, keep in mind, if I need to do any adjustments, living here in Canada, we're going to get some movement in the spring after winter thaw and freeze cycle ends. So that allows me to do a bit of shimming where needed. These blocks, I just don't think I want to get into the concrete work. I'm not near any source of electricity or anything or water, and so Going to be a bit of a pain for me that way. So just going to cut 6x6 posts. And I'm kind of pooched and the bugs are really bothering me. And so I'm going to pack it in here today. Hopefully you guys stay tuned. I got a playlist. Make sure you check that out. And next time you see me, we'll probably be putting some posts in here. And I think after that, we're just about ready to start doing some floor framing. So that's it. Appreciate you guys watching. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you all next time.